Dear friends, welcome to the next lecture, that is the fourth lecture of our mechanical drives. In third lecture, we discussed about the rope drive, its type and its limitations and advantages. Now onwards, in this lecture, we will continue with the belt drive in little detail. Here we are going to talk about the two basic arrangements of the belt drives, and they are as open belt drive and crossed belt drive. So first let us understand open belt drive. See, this diagram represents the open belt drive. Here this is a driving pulley and this one is a driven pulley, and belt passes through over them. In this case, the direction of rotation of the driving pulley and driven pulley is same. So this kind of arrangement is to be said as open belt drive. In this arrangement, if the center distance between two pulleys is too large, then it may happen that this belt may vibrate in the vertical directions, means perpendicular to the direction of motion of this belt. So it is not preferable to use this open belt drive for very large long distance. Second thing, if the center distance is too short, ये दोनों के बीच का डिस्टेंस बहुत कम है, तो it may happen that the slip will increase, slip between the surface of the belt and surface of the pulley. So these two are the constraints for the open belt drive. So we have to keep the center distance in moderate way, so we can minimize the vibration of this belt, and as well as we can minimize or eliminate the slip between the belt and the pulley. One important thing we have to keep in mind that while transmitting power, one side of the belt will be tight side and the other will be slack side. Now let us understand this phenomena. See, here this is a driving pulley and this is a driven pulley. So the belt is being pulled by this driving pulley from this direction. बेल्ट ये फ्रिक्शन की वजह से ये पुली के कांटेक्ट सरफेस की कांटेक्ट में रहता है और ड्राइविंग पुली उसको ये डायरेक्शन में खींचता है। तो ये जो नीचे वाली साइड है वो टाइट साइड रहेगी और ड्राइविंग पुली बेल्ट को ड्रिवन पुली की ओर ऐसे डिलीवर करता है। तो अपर साइड जो है वो स्लैक साइड रहेगी, मतलब कि लोअर साइड में ये साइड में टेंशन ज़्यादा होगा जबकि ऊपर वाली साइड में टेंशन कम होगा। सो व्हेन देयर इज ए बेल्ट टाइप, द टेंशंस इन बोथ द साइड्स while the belt is running, the drive is in functioning condition, one side will be tight side and another side will be a slack side. मीन्स एक में टेंशन ज़्यादा होगा और दूसरे में टेंशन कम होगा। नाउ इम्पोर्टेंट क्वेश्चन इज दैट which side should be kept tight. Understand? So when the arrangement of the pulleys is a horizontal condition, means जो सेंटर लाइन है, ये जो दो पुलिस की सेंटर से पास होने वाली लाइन जब हॉरिजॉन्टल है, तब एक बात इंपॉर्टेंट हो जाती है कि पुली का अरेंजमेंट ऐसे करे कि लोअर साइड जो है वो टेंशन ज़्यादा रहे और अपर साइड में टेंशन कम रहे। मीन्स लोअर साइड शुड बी ए टाइट साइड एंड अपर साइड शुड बी ए slack side. Why we should do like this? Let us understand with the diagram. See, In horizontal drives, it is desired to keep the tight side at the lower side of the pulley. So, what will happen if we keep the lower side as a tight side? It can be understood from this diagram. See, here the diagram is drawn with little hexagraded, meaning the direction of this pulley is clockwise direction, that is of driving pulley, and as it is open belt drive, the driven pulley is also rotating in the same direction, and hence the lower side of the belt is a tight side and upper side is a slack side. So उसकी वजह से क्या होगा, ये स्लैक साइड वाला बेल्ट है वो थोड़ा ऐसे झुक के चलेगा। डायग्राम ने हमने थोड़ा ज़्यादा ही बताया है कि समझ में आए। So because of it, what will happen? The contact angle between the pulley surface and the belt surface will increase. You can see it is from this end as well as this end. ये होने की वजह से बेल्ट और पुली के बीच का जो स्लिप है वो होने का चांसेस कम हो जाता है, एंड हेंस इट इज डिजायर्ड टू कीप द टाइट साइड एज ए लोअर साइड। अगर हमने उल्टा कर दिया कि पुली का जो डायरेक्शन है वो ऐसे रखा, इट इज रोटेटिंग इन एंटी क्लॉकवाइज डायरेक्शन एंड इट इज ओपन बेल्ट ड्राइव, देन व्हाट विल हैपन? बेल्ट जो है वो पुली इस डायरेक्शन में खींचती है, अंडरस्टैंड, बिकॉज ऑफ फ्रिक्शन द अपर the belt on the upper side is being pulled by the pulley and delivered from lower side to the driven pulley, understand? So upper side will be a tight side and lower side will be a slack side. ये slack side की वजह से because of gravity बेल्ट नीचे की ओर चलेगा, और आप यहाँ देख सकते हैं डायग्राम में कि the contact between the belt surface and pulley surface will decrease, means the contact angle decreases on both side, on the driving pulley side as well as on the driven pulley side, and because of decrease in this lap angle between the pulley and belt at driving end as well as driven end, the chances of slip will be increased. So it is always desirable to keep the lower side as a tight side and upper side as a slack side. So I hope it is clear now from this that how the open belt drive works, and it is preferable to keep the lower side as a tight side. Friends, now let us talk about the another arrangement of the belt drive, that is a cross belt drive. So the arrangement of the cross belt drive is shown in this figure. You can say this is a driving pulley and this is a driven pulley, and driving pulley is rotating in this direction and belt is delivered from upper side of the driving pulley toward the lower side of the driven pulley, and hence the direction of rotation of the driving pulley and driven pulley are in opposite. So when there is a requirement that the driving pulley and driven pulley are to be rotated in opposite direction, one should prefer the cross belt drive. Here two surfaces of the belts are crossing each other in between two pulleys, hence it is said to be as a cross belt drive. Here in this arrangement we can say, because of this crossing nature of the belt, the wrap angle on both the side of the driving pulley as well as driven pulley is more, it is increasing, so the slip chances are less and hence the more power is get transmitted with the help of cross belt drive. Here the belt bends in two different planes. एक पुली से होके दूसरी पुली में जब जाता है तो बेल्ट को पूरा ट्विस्ट होना पड़ता है, एंड दैट हैपन्स इन टू डिफरेंट प्लेन्स. सो द वियर एंड टीयर ऑफ द बेल्ट इज more, and hence the life of the belt of the cross belt drive is comparatively less. So dear friends, in this way we conclude that there are two arrangements of the belt drive: open belt drive and cross belt drive. Open belt drive is preferred when both driving and driven pulleys are to be rotated in same direction, while the cross belt drive is preferred when the driven pulley is to be rotated in opposite direction to the driving pulley. This is about the two different arrangements. Dear friends, we will continue with more such lectures in the same topics. And if you like this, then go for it, share with your friends, as well as to update this kind of videos yourself, you can subscribe this channel. Thank you, friends.